Welcome to the guided meditations with Shree Dembla. This is a space for you to connect with your own self, to connect with your breath. This is a space for you to connect with the Mother Earth, the universe, and the divine energies, to release all the energy blockages that stops you from living a fulfilling and phenomenal life and receiving divine healing and powers from the source, from the universe, from your angels and spirit guides, and so many magical beings that are here to help you. We are about to start a guided meditation. For this meditation, make sure that it is safe for you to close your eyes, as you will be closing your eyes. Make sure that you're all by yourself in a room and you're not disturbed for the next few minutes. You can put your phone on silent mode or flight mode and just sit in a comfortable position. You can listen to this lying down or sitting, whichever way it is comfortable for you. Make sure you have some water near you and you are comfortable. Once you're ready, you can begin. Put your hands on your heart. Take a long deep breath in and let go. Breathe in from your nose, breathe out from your mouth 3 times. And as you start breathing normally, observe every breath going deeper and deeper. Your eyes are closed. Your physical body is beginning to relax. Your mind is becoming quiet and calm. As you are beginning to go deeper into relaxation, which is very comfortable and very soothing. Allow yourself to expand your awareness. Just expand beyond your physical body, beyond the house, the city, the world, the universe. Connect with the energy of the universe. And allow yourself to receive the vibration, the awareness, the healing, the contribution, the love of the universe. Imagine a shaft of white light coming from the universe all the way down to the ceiling, all the way down to the top of your head, and through every cell of your body. Let it flow all the way down to your toes, and out of your toes into the earth. And allow yourself to pull the energy from the Mother Earth all the way through every cell of your body, all the way up to your feet and through every cell of your body, to the top of your head and to the universe. Now, as many of you may be thinking that so much has cleared and there is nothing much to be cleared, what if now you are ready to receive? Allow yourself to receive from the universe how much is your body healing the people around. Everywhere you've given the job of healing others to your body, right now connect with your body. Observe your body. And just talk to your body the way you would talk to a baby or a puppy. And go, hey body, you don't have to do it. You don't have to take other people's suffering. You don't have to prove how valuable you are by taking it on you. You don't have to store it in and block it in. I am telling you that it is okay to release. It is okay to release it all to the universe. Release it all to the sun. And know that even if you will take suffering, pain, disease out of people, if they are not choosing to let go of it, they can create again. So everywhere you created this never-ending loop of always healing other people, unknowingly, without even getting paid for it, just surrender it today. Just allow that to let go of. Some of you have a very heavy intensity around this. Just imagine a ball of white light in front of you and ask your body, you can release all the energy blockages. Into this ball of light. All the energy blockages that you have been picking up from other people or creating from your own thought processes. Just release, release, release. Let them all flow out into this ball of light. Allow your body to release all the cellular memories, all the past incidences. And allow yourself to be the space of receiving, be the space of joy, be the space of fun, be the space of receiving from the higher realms and contributing to the planet, contributing to your own life. And as you choose to be the space, it'll open up the doors to the higher realms, and your team will shower you with awesome experiences. Just observe the space. Just observe the silence. If you're feeling sleepy, it's perfectly all right. And it's okay even if you're not. Just don't make yourself wrong. Just be happy. And now, being aware of your physical body, take a long deep breath in and let go. Take your attention to your physical body, your hands, your feet. You can rub your palms and put them on your eyes. Take your time and have some water. Stay relaxed. Make sure that you write your experience of the meditation. Journal your experience. And if there is any heaviness or stiffness that you are experiencing or any discomfort in the body, just don't worry about it at all. It is only the energy, the intense energy releasing. It will be fine in a while. Just have water and relax. Just share your experience with me in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. What are the areas of your life that are shifting as you are listening to this meditation? And also let me know what are the other areas of your life that I can contribute to through these meditations. This is Shree Dembla, and I'm very happy and humbled to be able to connect you with yourself, with your breath, with your angels. And for more meditations, just let me know in the comments below. I would love to create more meditations. And thank you. Have a great day ahead and stay blessed.